Alright, so if you've got one of these Electrolux model wash machines like these, I took this one apart because it was making noise when you went to start it up, like something was hitting, but definitely a rotational sound issue. So let me move this over here. If you have to take one of these apart to keep from destroying that beauty ring, you have to just turn it to the left or right. I think I turned it to the left. It just spins. Once you took that one piece out right here, took the door off, you don't even have to take the door off. It spins. You can take it off. But in this case, I had to take the front of it off. When you take the front of it off, this is what you'll find that's faulted on them. It's making that rotation noise. This right here has a knurled nut on it that this plastic impeller slips around. You can see right there, it just cracks and busts, and that's what that noise is you're hearing in there. It sounds almost like a belt, but it ain't a belt. It's this right here that goes bad. It looks like heat over time. I've replaced that heating element twice. Then I heard this, so I'm done with it. I guess I probably could. I took these two screws off down here to try to remove it. I haven't finished. I just determined I'm done with it. Not sure what else I can show you. If you haven't had one of these apart, maybe you want to see other things. There's a control module. Let's see, what else can I show you? The heating element that I replaced twice during its life. There's the motor. The belt was still in great shape. If you got any other questions, let me know. I can answer them for you. I'm just going to take the parts off and sell the other parts, I guess. I don't know. So, all right. Have a nice day.